Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto from Kraken to MetaMask, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer crypto from Kraken to MetaMask, start by logging into your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the Funding tab at the top of the dashboard. From the Funding section, select Withdraw. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for withdrawal. Choose the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer to MetaMask. After selecting the crypto, find the option to enter your withdrawal address. Next, open your MetaMask. Make sure you are on the correct Ethereum network, as Kraken supports various coins. In MetaMask, click on your account to copy your wallet address. Paste the address back into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Review all the details carefully, ensuring the address and amount are correct. Kraken may require two-factor authentication for security. Complete the authentication process as prompted. Once verified, confirm your withdrawal request. Kraken will process the withdrawal. You'll receive a confirmation email once the transaction is initiated. Now, head back to your MetaMask wallet. Open your MetaMask to check for incoming transactions. It may take a few minutes for the funds to appear in your wallet, depending on network congestion. Once confirmed, your crypto will be available in your MetaMask for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.